Mom, if you have a child who has strayed, and this prayer is the beginning of the way back. Lord, you know the sheep that got lost in the noise of the world. I see them now, alone, walking down dark streets, and I cry out for the Good Shepherd who never gives up on them. Father, go and meet my child now. Cover them with your love and your protection. May your light be the beacon that guides them back home. I call them back, in Jesus' name. If this prayer touched your heart, follow our page to receive a word of strength for your family every day. You are not alone on this journey. Amen.